Hello everyone, this is Aaron Muller with Advantage Commercial Brokers, and I help people buy and sell businesses in Washington State. Today let's talk about, for those buyers out there that are looking to buy something, they want to know how much can a business can I afford, so it's a great question. It comes down a lot to the amount of cash that you have to work with. Typically speaking, it's going to take 25% down. That's what the SBA requires to purchase a business. But not only do you just need 25% down, there's going to be things potentially like rent deposits, operating capital, reserves, due diligence expenses that you may incur during the process of buying, some bank fees, and even some closing costs that will all stack up. So typically, if you look at let's say $1 million business, you might have to have $300,000 to $350,000 down in cash just to buy that $1 million business. Okay, that all being said, there is ways at lowering the amount of cash that you need, but that will take doing things like some seller financing. Sometimes the seller can put down or finance 10% of that purchase price, so then you'd only have to come up with about 15%. But again, remember all those other expenses that will keep that amount of cash that you need much greater than you're kind of sometimes expecting. So also you're going to have to put up your equity in your house if you own a residence. The bank requires you to use whatever you have as collateral, so they don't like to just give money without having some kind of security. So you're going to have to personally guarantee that loan. You're going to have to use your equity in your house. So it's important just to be aware of that going forward, so that you're not surprised by anything that the bank asks for. Also, your favorite bank that you have may not be the best bank for getting money to buy a business. Some banks are set out more for residential, or just deposit accounts or home type mortgage stuff. But you want to go to a smaller bank typically that's, wanting to do these small business opportunity deals. When you work with a business broker, they can kind of navigate through that, and they're able to really help you pick the right institutions to work with so that you can get the money to buy that business. Also, look at a business broker's track record with SBA lending, because it's really important that that broker knows how to pick the right people that aren't going to drag out the process for months, and then you end up never getting what you really want to do. So if you have any other questions, or you want to look into buying and selling a business, please visit our website at acbrokersinc.com.